So let's see here. All right. So here's the thing. There is a command in my video regarding SSH login with public and private keys. If you're on a Mac, especially an older Mac, you need to understand that you might not if you are on a Mac that is older than Mac OS Sierra, you might not have this installed. You probably won't. And you won't have a particular command installed. And that command is this, ssh-copy-id. This is what enables you to really easily and seamlessly sort of paste your public key up onto your server naturally in the right place, so that when you do your login, the program will know where to find it. Okay, so this video should be watched in conjunction with that, with my other video titled SSH Login using public-private keys. Now, so what you need to do, first thing, you need to have Homebrew installed, because Homebrew is going to enable you to get access to this command. You're going to need this command, and what's more, you're going to need Homebrew. If you don't have Homebrew already installed on your Mac, you need to go to this website here. You need to go to Homebrew, this website here, go to this website, and you need to follow their instructions. And you just need to, it may look a little intimidating, but I'm going to tell you, you are going to need this in the future. Okay, this Homebrew. Now, what does Homebrew do? Homebrew allows you to install all sorts of programs and packages onto your Mac without using the App Store, without, the same way you would normally on a totally open source Linux machine. And really, if you don't have Homebrew now, you're going to need it in the future. So first you install that, you go there, get that done. I mean, it might take you a few hours, who knows? It might take you 15 minutes, but in the future you're going to need it. Step 2, use Homebrew. Here's the Homebrew command, brew install ssh-copy-id. This is the command we're going to need to set up that login. And then when you've done that, go to step 3 and go back to my video titled SSH Login using public and private keys encryption. Now, I know that this is just a little, and another thing about that video, this one, I'm going to make another video on how to disable logins by root. You need to also do that, disable your login via root after you've done it. But the thing is, I understand that some of these things, especially for the real beginners, it may seem, wow, it's really convoluted and difficult. And, well, the thing is, this you're going to need. These are things here that everyone is going to need. This is not maybe. I mean, if you're asking yourself, should I invest the time necessary to learn and do this little task, this procedure? And the answer is yes, because it's one of those things that you're going to need it in the future. And it's probably going to come up again. You certainly will need brew again. So that's the answer to that.